the more emotionally triggered it is, the more that you'll remember. Diba? We always remember happy moments, painful moments. Kaya nga, yung extreme na dalawa yan, pain and pleasure. Diba? People can be motivated because of pain or pleasure. So, human nature yan. Kaya napaka-powerful ng understanding ng emotion. Are you motivated to move forward because you experience pain? Or are you the one na motivated na drive mo sa pleasure, sobrang taas din, kaya ka nag-create ng result. So, that's just how humans are built. Kaya minsan, may mga happy moments ka na dahil na-experience mo siya, ayaw mo bitawan. Parang kayo, happy ka nag-workout. Kahit pagod ka na sa umaga, nag-workout ka na, lakad ka pa sa hapon. Sabi mo nga kanina, hindi ko ma-explain parang trip ko lang. Diba? So, ang difference lang, naging habit siya. Na kahit pagod ka sa umaga, hanapin ang katawan mo, hindi, lakad ako sa hapon. So, until it became second nature, na ngayon, it's natural for you to do it. So, ganun din yung success, ganun din yung failure, na if you understand that human dynamics, then create a structure that would elevate that, then people,
dynamics,
correct. Then,
na-improve mo, na-re-raise mo.
correct. And then people will change.